Hey everybody, welcome to Adventures with Paul. It's the Montour Trail. This is the bike route that's going to eventually connect over to the Gap and C&O. Let's look at where we're going on this trip. We're going to start in Pittsburgh, head east across the Ghost Town Trail, head northeast up towards the Finger Lakes, where we're going to connect to the Empire Trail in Syracuse, head east to Saratoga Springs, south along the Hudson, quick stop to see my mom and Danbury, arriving at New York City to take the Amtrak home. Ghost Town Trail. Yeeks. We are getting out of the airport. This is one-way inbound, except for cyclists that are allowed to ride it outbound. This section goes through an FAA training facility, an ARFF, or ARF. It's only because I have this long selfie stick that I'm getting this close. I am looking about this for the weather forecast today, just all day long. Looks like I came out with a break in the rain, which is good. I did get my special customized saddle cover shower cap. One more thing to do before we get started. Turn on Mr. Blinky. A little over half mile in, I'm on the Montour Trail. This isn't too bad. I think I got out just as the rain stopped. There's a high probability that it's going to be raining just all day in the Blairsville, so I will take this non-rain while I can get it. Originally my route was going to take me over that bridge, and then I was going to parallel along the river on the north side, but since I extended my about 68 mile day to about 77, 78, I'm going to cut it short and go this way and then pick up the South Side Trail. Years ago, I first came through here. Day one was rainy and misty on my first day of the Gap. It's my 10-year anniversary and bam, same thing. There's Three Rivers Stadium. There's the Yellow Bridge that most people ride over. There's Pittsburgh, and then the other Yellow Bridge, which is on this side. Original plan had me coming over this bridge here, but I think I saved some miles by sticking to the south side of the river this morning. Hey everybody, look at this. Brick Street down in the industrial section. Hopefully the camera's not jostling around too much. Holy cow. Well, the rain stopped for a little bit. Wanted to capture this. You got a huge viaduct going over. You got the train moving through the valley. You've got some sort of canal moving through there. You've got workers working on the railroad. Okay, so this isn't the greatest road bed. It is very rocky gravel. Strangely enough, there was another bike track that went through here before I did, so I'm not the first. Well, that is the Westmoreland Heritage Trail. Looks pretty much overgrown and not groomed. So I think I'm going to skip this portion of it and connect with it a little bit further up the road. The good news is The Westmoreland Heritage Trail is in good condition. Feeling good, got about probably another 40 miles to go, and just hoping that the rain holds off, because it's just a miserable day one. It's getting bright. This is the brightest it's been all day. Nope. Gonna have to go with what I already have. Let's see if we can see the dam. Structure. Cool. All right, at the top of this mountain in the West Penn Trail, this is where I was going to camp tonight. I've got 67 miles on the odometer today, which is just about right. I had planned about 68, 69 for today. Somewhere back in there I was going to camp, but with the rain and me being completely dirty, I'm going to try and do a load of laundry tonight. I have a room at the Days Inn in Blairsville, which is about another 10 miles. I'm going over that bridge to cross the water, and I'm going down this really steep hill. It says walk it, and there are wet leaves on, but I'm going to give it a shot. I wish it wasn't raining again. Yeah, it's raining again. What are you gonna do? Crazy. Like 5 minutes ago, it was pouring rain. Now it's, I've got some light, and I took the hood off again. I'll probably put it back on again. Remember when I talked about the laundry pods in my short? I'm using them right now for laundry. And I walked over to DQ and I got myself some dinner while I'm waiting for my laundry to get done. Like some slight rain in the forecast. We are going to go back, jack, and do it again with our wheels turning round and round. But first, let's get some breakfast. We are headed from Blairsville to Altoona today. About a 60-mile ride. We are going to hit the Ghost Town Trail and then the Horseshoe Curve before we check into a hotel tonight, because it is going to be rainy today, just like it has been yesterday. This is odd, right here at the end of a corporate campus. There is, you got to go into the opposite lane of traffic, the bike trail starts. So unexpected bike path. This is nice. Makes getting over that busy road a lot easier. Ghost Town Trail, that away. Ghost Town Trail. Spooky. And it is just so quiet. You can hear some of the insects, the little rapids down there. $799 miles to go. Not today, but overall for the entire trip. So originally started out with 900, means I've got over 100 miles done already, and It's raining again. That makes this trip worth it. Look at that color. That's gorgeous. Sasquatch, everybody. Cool to kind of see that there used to be an entire village here and now there's nothing. One of the ghost towns of the Ghost Town Trail. Oh, it might be raining, but I'm on vacation, damn it. I'm gonna enjoy sights such as the Eliza Furnace. And it's one of the, at least as far as the interpretive signs say, it's one of the most well preserved because it's got the iron piping at the top, which does things. There you have it. Eliza Furnace, which differs from Eliza Doolittle in several ways. One, because Eliza Doodle was my fair lady rather than the furnace making, which was iron. But in reference to My Fair Lady, the rain in Spain lies mainly on Eliza Furnace right now. Here's something cool, the Great Map at Vincendale. This is a mosaic map made by fire insurance companies to kind of see where everything was. So can't walk on the map, which I'm not, but pretty neat. Would have been nice if it weren't covered with leaves and rain, but you get what you get. It looks like we got a break in the weather. That's pretty good news. I made it to Gallitzin. Still have about another 12 miles to go. I'm at the Tunnel Park. It's a nice little area. Unfortunately, it's tough to see the tunnels there with all the overgrowth. Made it to Horseshoe Curve, which is like the 8th wonder of the world, supposedly. Everything competes to be the 8th wonder of the world. Nothing's competing for the 1st wonder or the 9th wonder, right? But it circumnavigates, you can see starting from all the way over there, circumnavigates behind me and does a whole 180 and leaves on the other side. So it allowed trains coming through the Allegheny Mountains an easy way to get through the mountains, and it was an engineering feat. Day 2 wrap-up, rain, and it was raining all day today, climbing about 3,000 feet, 61 miles of riding. Tomorrow is going to be rain all day long and fairly heavy and moderate. So rather than riding these 68 miles in the rain and camping out in a really cool stealth camp behind a truck stop, I am going to get a U-Haul, which is right across the street, and I'm going to drive that to Lock Haven and get a hotel tomorrow night. Hey everybody, welcome to day 3. This rain is why I am dressed in my street clothes and not my cycling clothes this morning, because we're going to take a fast forward to Lock Haven. Let's get some coffee first. I did 2 days in the rain. I decided this is a vacation, I should be enjoying this. Putting a
7-hour slog on the bike in a moderate rain and getting just wetted out all day was not appealing to me. There is a U-Haul across the street, so I'm going there and dropping it off at Lock Haven. 90-minute drive, and it puts me back on schedule.
Here I am at my U-Haul. That's my truck right over there. So I'm gonna hop in there, throw my bike in, and then about 2 hours later, I'll be in Lock Haven, mostly dry. After a short walk from the U-Haul rental place, I am now here at the hotel. Am I happy? I am overjoyed. This is what I would have been facing for 72 miles or so today. So now I get to dry off all night and start the day tomorrow with sun in the forecast.